Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play Dota 2 on repeat.gg, right? So here we are into repeat.gg. Now first of all, you will see an option that is select platform. So let's say you can select any of the platform, it's up to your preference. I will select here desktop. Right, now once I'm here, I will get this option of Dota 2, just play now, right? So I have to just click on it. Now here all the tournaments will come up here, and this is a prize pool, and of course that's a real money. And here it will show you that this is started and this is, it's going on, it's all finished, it's open, right? So here you have to select any one of the tournament, and in the game hub you'll see a lot of prize pool options, and competition status going on. So first of all, to connect your Dota 2 account, so you have to register and connect your Dota 2 account here. And once you have connected, you will just go and click on join now, right? And here it will just take a few seconds of your time. Now here you will get an option to add a game, right? Add a game or add your game, right? We are not able to see this option because here they're asking to log in into enter. So first of all, let's try. We will just log in into this account. I will use my Google account here. Now once you log in into your repeat.gg, here they will ask you to connect your Dota 2. So if you have already connected, then they will not ask you an option here. Now as you can see here, we have got this option to add a game. So first of all, we have to log in into our Steam account, and of course we have to log in into our Dota 2 account, and this is how we can just connect and play on repeat.gg. And once you have connected, you will get this option to join tournament, and you will be able to compete here. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.